Expect the wicket to be same.
What do you have to do well now? Because now it is almost crunch time for you guys.
Of course, batters need to click out since we haven't done really well with the bat. So I think batters should stand up, and bowlers importantly depend the totals.
Any changes to your side?
3 changes: V.S. Kant making the debut, and Janik Dienage and Kamil Mishra in.
Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you.
Salman, what would you have done if you had won the toss?
We actually wanted to bat first today too.
So you're thinking runs on the board. The couple of games that you have been successful for batting first.
Yeah, we just wanted to put up above fast score and then try to seek them. But it's all right. I think it's been like pitches like that. I haven't seen Pindi like that. Pindi is always a high-scoring game. But yeah, I've been playing. We have played 6 games now, and I don't really think how the pitches are playing here.
Share the mic. Couple of days off. What did you guys get up to?
Oh, nothing. We have been playing so many games. We just wanted to rest, and 2 days was completely rest.
In the way that your team is shaped, do you have any changes today?
Yeah, we have one change. Shaheen is not playing, unfortunately, and Wasim is playing.
So, what do you expect? Batting first, how much total do you expect on this surface? It hasn't been the typical Pindi pitch.
Yeah, it's not been a typical Pindi pitch, so it's hard to decide what score is we want to restrict, but we want to restrict as less as we can.
Lovely. So, good luck for the game, Salman.
Thank you very much.
And hopefully that will pan out. So the news out here in the center.
मुल्की सीरीज के तीसरे मैच में श्रीलंका ने पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ टॉस जीतकर बैटिंग का फैसला कर लिया है।